Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to the show.
This is the One English Podcast.
The One English Podcast, where we just talk like real people.
No stress,
No complicated lessons,
just simple, natural English.
and hopefully, a few laughs.
Hopefully more than a few.
True.
I'm Wally,
And I'm Sam.
and we're really happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're listening at home,
Or walking outside.
or maybe lying in bed and not sleeping.
That's me every night.
Same.
Before we start, guys, if you enjoy this kind of conversation,
Don't forget to subscribe.
yes, so you don't miss the next episode.
And maybe send it to a friend.
Someone who is also learning English.
Or someone who shops too much online.
Oh, nice transition.
Thank you.
Because today's topic is
Online shopping.
English in daily life.
Talking about shopping online.
This is a big topic.
Very big.
Everyone shops online now.
Everyone.
Clothes,
Shoes,
electronics,
food.
everything.
It's dangerous.
Very dangerous.
For your wallet.
Yes,
Okay, Wally, I have a question.
I'm ready.
How often do you shop online? Be honest.
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
What?
That's not a lot.
That is a lot.
No, small things.
That's what everyone says.
It's true.
Just small things. And then suddenly 10 packages arrive.
Okay, that has happened before.
I knew it.
But what about you?
I shop online maybe once a week.
That's still a lot.
It is.
So we are both part of the problem.
Yes, we are the problem. But it's just so easy.
That's the thing.
You sit on your phone,
You see something nice,
you click buy,
and done.
no effort,
No walking,
no lines,
no waiting in a store,
just click and wait.
and then delivery.
Ah, yes, delivery day.
The best day.
It feels like a gift.
Even though you paid for it,
Exactly.
it still feels like a surprise.
Especially when you forget what you ordered.
Oh, that's the best.
You open the box and think,
Oh yeah, I bought this. Okay, let's talk about some useful English here.
yes.
When you buy something online,
You can say, I ordered it online.
yes, I ordered a jacket online.
Or I ordered some shoes.
Very common sentence.
Order is the key word.
Not buy always.
Yes, we often say order for online shopping.
Good point.
So, Wally, what was the last thing you ordered? I'm curious.
I ordered a phone case
Okay, that's normal.
and headphones
Also normal.
and a desk lamp
Okay, still okay.
and some snacks.
Snacks.
Yes,
Why?
because I was too lazy to go to the store.
Wow.
It was late at night,
Of course it was.
and I wanted something sweet.
Dangerous time.
Very dangerous.
Late night shopping is always a bad idea.
Always.
You don't think clearly.
No.
You just click.
Click, click, click.
And the next day,
Regret.
big regret.
Why did I buy this?
Exactly.
Have you ever bought something you didn't need?
Oh, yes.
Tell me,
I once bought a small kitchen tool.
what kind of tool?
It cuts vegetables into perfect shapes.
That sounds useful.
I thought so.
Past tense. I thought so.
Yes.
So what happened?
I used it once.
Only once?
Only once.
And now?
It's in a drawer.
Of course it is.
With many other useless things.
The drawer of regret.
Yes.
Everyone has that drawer.
Full of things we thought we needed.
But we didn't.
That's another good sentence. I thought I needed it.
But I didn't.
Very natural.
Okay, let's talk about something important.
What?
Reviews.
Oh, yes.
Reviews are very important in online shopping.
Very important.
A review is what people say about a product.
Their opinion.
For example, this product is great.
Or this product is terrible. Do you read reviews before buying something?
Always.
Same.
I never buy something without reading reviews.
Me too.
I read many reviews.
Not just one.
No, many.
5, 10, sometimes 20.
Yes.
And I check the rating,
Oh, yes, the rating.
like 5 stars, 4 stars.
3 stars, dangerous.
Very dangerous.
If I see 2 stars,
You run away.
I leave immediately. So you can say it has good reviews?
Or it has bad reviews.
Very simple.
And it has a high rating.
Or low rating.
Easy vocabulary.
But sometimes reviews can be confusing.
Yes.
One person says, "This is amazing."
Another person says, this is the worst thing ever.
And you're like,
What do I believe?
exactly.
So you have to read carefully.
And look for patterns.
Patterns.
Yes, if many people say the same thing,
Then it's probably true.
exactly.
That's smart.
Thank you.
Okay, let's talk about delivery.
Oh, yes.
Very important.
When you order something, you wait for delivery.
Delivery means when the product comes to your house.
Yes.
Sometimes it's fast,
Sometimes very fast.
like same-day delivery.
That's crazy.
You order in the morning.
And it arrives in the evening.
That feels like magic.
It really does.
But sometimes,
It's slow.
very slow.
You wait days,
Or weeks.
and you check your phone every hour.
Where is my package?
Yes.
That's another word, package.
Yes, the box you receive.
So you can say my package is coming today.
Or my package is late.
Late means not on time.
Exactly.
Have you ever had a late delivery?
Many times.
Same.
I ordered something once,
Uh-huh.
and it said 3 days delivery.
Okay.
It arrived after 2 weeks.
That's not 3 days.
Not even close.
Did you complain?
A little.
A little.
I wrote a message.
What did you say?
I said, "Hi, my order is late. Can you help me?"
That's polite.
Always be polite.
Yes.
Even when you're annoyed.
Annoyed means a little angry.
Yes, not very angry, but uncomfortable.
So even when you're annoyed, stay calm.
Exactly.
That's good life advice.
Thank you.
Did they answer?
Yes.
And?
They said, "Sorry for the delay."
Delay means something is late.
Yes.
Another useful word.
Very useful.
And then what?
They gave me a small refund.
Oh, nice.
So it was okay in the end.
In the end is a nice phrase.
Yes, it means finally.
After everything.
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about something else.
What?
Returning items.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes you buy something,
And you don't like it.
or it doesn't fit.
Clothes are difficult.
Very difficult.
Sizes are different.
Yes.
Small in one brand.
Medium in another.
It's confusing.
Very confusing.
So sometimes you have to return the item.
Return means send it back.
Yes.
So you can say, I returned it.
Or I need to return this.
Have you ever returned something?
Yes, many times.
Of course. What happened?
I ordered a shirt once.
Okay.
It looked great in the picture.
Always looks great in the picture.
Always.
And in real life?
It looked very different.
Oh no.
The color was strange.
Not what you expected.
Not at all.
That's a good phrase. Not what I expected.
Yes, very useful.
So what did you do?
I returned it.
Easy process? Not really. Of course not.
I had to print a label,
Oh no.
put it on the box,
Uh-huh.
go to the post office.
Too much work.
Exactly.
That's why sometimes people don't return things.
Yes, too lazy.
And the item stays in the house.
In the drawer of regret.
Again.
Always.
But online shopping is still very popular
Yes,
because it's easy
and fast.
and comfortable.
You can shop in your pajamas.
That's the best part.
No one sees you.
No judgment.
Just you, your phone, and your bad decisions.
Yes.
But it's part of modern life now,
Very much.
and we talk about it all the time.
With friends, family.
What did you buy?
Was it good?
Did it arrive?
These are real conversations.
Everyday English.
And we're just getting started.
And we're just getting started.
Yeah, we haven't even talked about the worst part yet.
Worst part?
Yes,
What is it?
when the package arrives and it's not what you expected.
Oh no.
That moment.
That very sad moment.
You open the box slowly,
With excitement.
big smile on your face,
And then
Silence.
Silence is never a good sign.
You look at the item and think,
What is this?
this is not what I ordered.
Or worse?
Is this the same product? Have you ever received the wrong item?
Yes, one time.
Tell me.
I ordered a black jacket.
Okay,
Simple, black jacket.
sounds easy.
And when the package arrived,
Uh-huh.
I opened it,
Yes.
and inside there was a bright pink jacket.
Bright pink?
That is amazing. It was not subtle.
Not even a little.
Very, very pink.
Did you try it on?
Of course I tried it on.
Of course you did.
I looked in the mirror.
And
I looked fabulous.
I knew it.
But it was not what I wanted.
So you had to return it.
Yes,
That's frustrating.
very frustrating.
That's another useful word. Frustrating.
Yes, when something is annoying and difficult.
Exactly.
Online shopping can be frustrating sometimes.
Especially when things go wrong.
Wrong size,
Wrong color
wrong item.
or broken item.
Oh, yes.
That's the worst.
When something arrives damaged.
Damaged means broken or not in good condition.
Right.
I once ordered a mug.
A coffee mug?
Yes,
And?
it arrived in pieces.
Oh, no.
Completely broken.
That's so sad.
It was a nice mug, too.
What did you do?
I contacted customer service.
Good.
That's another useful phrase. Customer service.
Yes, the people who help you when there is a problem.
Exactly.
So you contacted them.
Yes, I said, "Hi, my item arrived broken."
Simple and clear.
Always simple.
And what did they say?
They said, "We're sorry. We will send a new one."
That's good service.
Very good.
Did the new one arrive safely?
Yes, perfect condition.
Nice.
So sometimes problems have good endings,
That's true.
but not always.
Not always.
Okay, let's talk about something dangerous again.
Oh, no.
Discounts.
Ah.
The most dangerous thing in online shopping.
Discount means lower price.
Yes.
When something is cheaper than normal,
And when people see a discount,
they lose control.
yes.
Suddenly, you don't need the item
But you think you do.
because it's cheaper.
It's on sale.
That's another phrase.
Yes, on sale means discounted.
People love that sentence.
I love that sentence.
Of course you do. Have you ever bought something just because it was on sale?
Many times.
Be honest.
Okay, too many times. One time I bought shoes.
Did you need them?
No,
Of course not.
but they were 50% off.
That's a big discount.
Yes.
And
I wore them maybe twice.
that's it?
That's it.
So in the end, not a good deal.
Not a good deal.
Even if the price is low,
If you don't use it, it's not worth it.
that's a great sentence.
Thank you.
Not worth it is very useful.
Yes, it means not a good idea.
Or not a good value.
Exactly.
So sometimes we say,
It's cheap, but it's not worth it.
perfect.
But still, people love discounts,
Yes.
especially big sales.
Like Black Friday.
Oh, yes.
Big sales everywhere.
People go crazy,
Online and in stores.
buying everything
Things they need,
and things they don't need.
mostly things they don't need. But it's fun.
It is fun.
Shopping can feel exciting.
Like a game.
You find a good deal,
You feel happy,
you click buy,
you feel powerful. Then later,
you feel regret.
sometimes,
Not always.
not always.
Sometimes it's a great purchase.
Yes,
Let's talk about that.
good purchases.
Things you bought online and loved.
Okay.
What is one thing you bought online that you really like? Think carefully.
I bought a backpack,
Okay,
and I use it every day.
that's a good sign.
Yes,
That means it was worth it.
exactly.
Good quality?
Very good.
Comfortable?
Super comfortable.
Nice.
So sometimes online shopping is great.
Yes,
You find something useful.
and it improves your daily life.
That's the best kind of purchase.
I agree.
What about you?
I bought a desk chair.
Oh, that's important,
Very important.
especially if you work a lot.
Yes, I sit for many hours.
Same.
And my old chair was terrible.
Bad for your back.
Very bad.
And the new one?
Amazing.
Comfortable?
Super comfortable.
That's a great purchase.
Yes, I use it every day.
So again,
Worth it.
exactly.
That's the goal.
Not just buying things
But buying things that you use,
that help you.
that make life easier.
That's smart shopping.
Not emotional shopping.
Oh, yes.
Emotional shopping is dangerous.
Very dangerous.
When you feel bored
Or sad,
or stressed
and you start shopping,
just to feel better.
that happens a lot.
Yes,
And for a moment, you feel happy.
when you click buy,
But later,
the feeling goes away.
and the package arrives.
And you're like, why did I buy this?
So maybe think before you buy.
Good advice.
Ask yourself,
Do I really need this?
do I will use this?
Is it worth it?
Simple questions.
Very helpful.
But let's be honest.
Yeah?
Sometimes we will still buy silly things.
Of course.
We're human.
Not robots.
Exactly.
And that's okay.
As long as we learn.
Yes.
So, listeners,
We talked about ordering online,
delivery,
reviews,
returns,
discounts,
good and bad experiences,
all part of daily life.
and all part of real English conversations.
These are the things people talk about.
Simple, normal topics,
And you can talk about them too.
even with basic English.
I ordered this.
It arrived yesterday.
I like it.
I don't like it.
That's enough.
That's how it starts.
And slowly,
You say more,
and more.
and you become more confident.
That's the goal.
Always.
Before we go,
Yes, time for our question.
we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments.
What is the best thing you have bought online?
And also,
What is the worst thing?
yes, we want both.
The best and the worst.
We love those stories.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Simple English is perfect.
Just share your experience.
And if you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to like it
subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend
Maybe someone who shops too much.
like you.
Hey, okay.
Thank you for listening.
We really appreciate it.
And we'll see you next time.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.